Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to explain, does TikTok notify you when someone saves one of your videos? So the short answer is no, TikTok does not notify you when someone saves your video. Obviously, when it comes to TikTok, you obviously want to protect your content and you don't want people to just repost your content without your permission. But TikTok says that they don't send a notification they don't want to flood someone's notification feed with those types of notifications. So if I go into a video and then I tap the share button, and then you can see right here is the save button. If I press that and save the video to my device, this specific account is not going to get a notification. But if you're worried about people downloading your content and uploading it to other platforms or onto another TikTok page without your permission, you can disable that feature. So how you would do that is you would go and tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right hand corner. Then you would tap on these three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. From here you want to go to settings and privacy, and then you want to tap on privacy, and you just want to scroll down till you get and then you want to go to the safety section, and here it says downloads. So if I tap on downloads, and then you can switch off this video downloads. So if I toggle that switch down, now people aren't able to save my TikTok videos. So people don't get a notification when someone saves their content, but you can disable that feature if you want, like I just showed. So hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.